last week we worked some disarms with the Filipino martial art I was showing on video. Now I don't have a class for that yet. I did for a long time. I took it out, and we'll definitely put one back in the months ahead. But in the meantime, I see a lot of the jiu-jitsu guys. This is great, picking up their weapons, practicing them at home, and going through these coordination drills. They're good for that. You know, I mean, I won't say this is so much a combative thing, but just to kind of get your mind to think about different patterns is a really good drill to play with. Kind of like when you're on the ground and you're looking at different scenarios. This is, in my mind, I can look at it exactly the same way. So there's some basic drills. I know some of the people in my class have seen it, but it's been such a long time since I've had a Filipino martial art class. So I'm going to go over what we call a heaven standard earth pattern. It's basically a standard 6 count. It's really simple. It looks complicated if you've never done it before. When you've done it a few times, it gets to be really easy. So I'll start off real slow, and I'll show you some things you can add into it to make it a little more challenging. Okay, so the first thing is called heaven. Okay, you're a standard 6. My left arm is underneath, my right hand is on top. Same as Josh, he's on the opposite side, all right? So I'm going to hit my angle 1, which is going for the neck, and he's going to do the same thing. And then when I finish with that, I rest it on the shoulder. Then my angle 2 is going to hit, and it's going to rest on the same shoulder. Then my 3 is going to hit, and I come back under my left arm. So if you'll notice, now we're both on the opposite sides. We'll do the same thing on the opposite side. So it would be angle 1 on the shoulder, 2 on the shoulder, 3 under the arm. So whenever I teach it to the kids, I always say, I'll hit the top, it'll be top hand, top hand, and I go underneath. So it's top, and then under. So top, and then under. All right, so you have a chance to go to both right and left sides. Try to avoid going so fast at the beginning. Everybody wants to go really quick, but if you go slowly, the speed will definitely come. So one more time. So I go 1, 2, 3, under the arm, other side, 1, 2, 3. Once you get that down, I highly suggest you start moving and doing more footwork with it. So I can start, I just walk with Josh. So I go to the right, I'm near him. Every which way I go, if I put pressure to him, he walks back. He puts pressure to me, I walk back. So I keep that distance. And then you can work on your height, your depth perception to it. Okay, moving the footwork. And just that first drill for your heaven standard, for your standard 6 count. Okay, the next piece of that is called standard. All right, so standard is just one hit different. So I'm going to go angle 1 and cover, and my left hand hits is on a low strike now. So I hit that, I bring it to my opposite side, and go back to the high line. So it's going to be high, low, and high, and then high, low, and high. And let's repeat that pattern over and over. All right, same thing with that. So we can walk with that as well. So we go high, low, high, high, low, high. You kind of run those words over in your head so you get the pattern down. If you want to put those two together, you can do it like this. You can just go slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go to high, low, high, and then high, low, high. And you can walk with that as well. Start back to the top again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, high, low, high, low, high. All right. The last piece of that section is called earth. It's all low hits, so be towards the kneecaps, legs area. Okay. So I'm gonna go. It's the same thing as heaven, basically. So it's all low hits. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6. And so again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more thing. If you miss a hit, just keep going. You don't have to stop and mess up the pattern. It's gonna happen. You're gonna miss one here and there. All right, so let's look at the whole thing from heaven, standard, and earth in a stationary position. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. They're all 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was my high, low, high. These are all my lows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can add the footwork to that. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. High, low, high, high, low, high, and then all lows. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, see if you guys can add that in there.